This is the Daikin 1 ton FTKM 35 model. The only difference with the MTKM is that this is the glossy finish and the remaining all the features are same. So right now I'll start the AC and I'll turn to power chill mode and I will show you the power consumption. So in order to turn it on, I'll press the yellow button, and as you can see the green lights start blinking, and Daikin takes time to start. It doesn't start soon. So now I will be switching it to power chill operation. So if I press this button, then everything goes away and the AC switches mode to full power. This is how it sounds in power chill mode. How much power the Daikin consumes in power chill mode. So if I click this and see the energy consumption bar, so while starting it is consuming 423 watt. Typically, if you see the Daikin max power I have recorded is 1200 watt, but now you have seen it is hovering around 600 watt because of the monsoon season. Maybe that is the reason. It consumes very less power and cools much faster. I will make a similar video for LG as well.